Hello, it is Saturday, and you already know what it is. Every Saturday evening, we're here with our Stress Clinic updates. If you didn't know, Stress Clinic happens every Monday night at Levels, right opposite the Uganda Museum. We go all night having great poetry, great comedy, and a jam session for your favorite and brand new artists. Today, we do have Ishak and Titus Nsubuga. These ones right here are brothers. They hardly perform together. But guess what? Today, they are performing together.
I crush souls with my index finger.
We have champion Walter YT, a very promising artist.
It's been too long since I've seen a big one. Since I've seen a big one. Another big one and another big one.
And MC Kapale delivers every time.
Omukazi afuwe minebo bakiso oli amukamabanga anuna mu kiyungu. Mubamwe vu. Towakana.
Not forgetting that we have a legend since 1999, Dr. Jose Chameleon.
Sawa, chakula nzuri. Sawa, sawa. Ipate maisha mazuri. Sawa, sawa.
What are we waiting for?
The curves and spells of history run through my veins. I am the spiteful, painful lamentations that the ancestors spat in the cave of Chibwetere. I can twist and turn truth, the least you will find.
Mwe tunuza chirangiranga bwe mulangira bannamwe ebigambo n'agagambo. Emirambo n'emyoyo gy'abajjajja gyenyinyalwa. Era naffe tunyolwa.
Wulira, I crush souls with my index finger. I linger and growl and sprawl and make them bounce in a pounce at once. I am filled with tons and tons of greed.
For I feed on the freed people and take freedom fighters too. I swallowed Nelson Mandela and watched him shrink and sink,
losing limb after limb. In a word, I hate freedom in my kingdom. See,
I am the people,
yet I betray the people.
and they call me a hippo. Not the animal, but a hypocrite.
I am a software engineer. I design and create. I install and update fate into them, you the people. And I give them a wide range of software to choose from. I have
Jealousware, envyware, greedware, slayware, vengeanceware, pretenceware. I call the whole package
evilware.
and I packed it into Eva's underwear, which made her eat.
the forbidden fruit. And I am never defeated by anything.
Even God knows I'm dangerous.
I can flip momentum.
And it will scald you
deep to your limbs. Death.
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 Death is mine servant to listen and obey to what I say. I mean death.
In fact, she came running to me last week
Only to bow down and pay her respects because she adores me to death.
But you have a guy living in if you want big things only in life. One more time, Mr. Whitey. Jagara binene. And then my diggity danda, diggity danda.
Diggity dancer. Yeah.
One more time, Mr. Whitey. Jagala binene. Kana diggity danda, diggity danda, diggity dancer. Mr. Richie come here, roll it one time. Walk it up slow, shake your booty non-stop. Shake your booty non-stop. I don't wanna know where you're coming from. Where you're coming from. It's been too long since I've seen a big one. Since I've seen a big one. Another big one and another big one. When I'm in a club, I don't wanna feel good enough. I just wanna fall in love. We go! Chakala vinene, 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 sulamu vinene, chakala vinene, chakala vinene, chakala vinene, veramu vinene, sivamu vinene, chakala vinene. Sokaka kuno gwaffe gwa kuchanga kukukuba novaayo mu bikunta kukucamula n'omwana wattu n'olaba kukuyingira obusomyo n'okulukulukulukuta kuno gwaffe gwa kuchanga kukukuba novaayo mu bikunta kukucamula n'omwana wattu n'olaba kukuyingira obusomyo n'okulukulukulukuta tuba mu kidongo ngala tuwulire bulungi nnyo tetukola mu
okukola essabo ne kyaki kyekisinga obuzibu angi kubanga ekyaki tenyuma nnyo naye essabo linyuma abasawo abaganda banyumirwa obuwala nga buno bujja ne buyingira nga buli mu mini naggalawo yeyeefula amayembe era ye musawo kanaalyoka atandika okuzungira muli nze ssabo kyantukako mu ssabo nze nzunze embonyeebonye mba ndi mu ssabo bwe nti tutudde tuli bangi mulimu obuwala bonna abasajja basatu ne baggalawo ne batandika lubaale w'abaana agolokoko nkwate andi muto sigenda kwerabira ngenda okulya endege atuuse baaba tumuli butya bazzukulu muli bulungi baaba obuwala buli butidde batugjeeko amasimu kumbe essabo lirimu ettaala yassamu amasannyalaze yerabidde okugjako swiki gabadde gagenze ali muli ekyanga paru muli butya baaba nze jjajja ntako ewunyamazi konze laba amasannyalaze begadda nga ye nyininyini atudde wali yatulimu ng'alina akaggo kwe yasibye endege azinyenyeza eri bw'ati ewala nemuga akatongole nga baamu amagezi muzzukulu tujja kuloga abalogo mwekubireko mugalo ng'oli muno naddala abakyala olawo omukazi ng'emwa wano gyalwedi wansi afuwa nnyo emmindi omukazi afuwa emmindi ne bwakiisa owulira mukama obanga anuna mu kiyungu mubaamu evvu towakana. Mama, have you ever tasted a mindi? Buno tebubimanyi bambi. Do you know a mindi? Naba kala kati buno bwana obulu kano tekasafuwa mindi eno kala. Bana badduga ve bafuwa mindi. Okazi obweru kyekola kyokka. Hi.
Hello.
Nga kayine ddoboozi. Wasoma ko ne Kirevadi. Hi, gasa. Akantu tojja kulya nze nkubuli akagumu. Ero jagenda kasabuni konze nkubuli. Modololo wa gundi wa Michael Jackson bamita Bad Black. Bad Black yakopa Michael Jackson. Bad Black yagaya nafunze nyindo. Omanyi Michael Jackson yerusa. Kati Bad Black yafunze nyindo naye nakole nyindo nakole emimwa. Girebera alinga awute ekipoli. Kati Bad Black ekizibu kye yakola yagaya nafunze nyindo jukira muganda. Oxygen gwassa omuka gwassa mungi. Eno mudumo guvayo mungi wanne gufuluma mutini. Chowa agejja waggulu wansi nako gasima mwali muno. Bad Black ansaaga nze ntamidde omanyi nawe ndikyaliwo ntamiranga kandi mukwetondera abantu ate envuma balala bana. Ale Bad Black alina ebiteega alizo okukuloga emabega ne bakutokoto oyo. Kati abakyala beerusa ekyo kye mukola kye bayita inflagrant delicto complex incapacity system mu science. Buli weerusa essimu bwebeerako screen guard. Ekiteesa ku screen guard ku simu bwegwa nga tikuli screen guard eyatika. Kati naawe omukyala bw'ojjako luno olususu luno oba oggyeko screen waati ojja kwatika. Ojja b'ozunga simu emuzungira mu kakondo obanga akagege n'olyoka ozunga. Ojja gwoyiikeyiike wano. Mulimu akazi alina olugezigezi amala ttamira n'akubuza amanya g'ekikako ziggwani nze Katongole. My God! I can't believe it that I'm also Nakatongole. We are sisters and brothers. You are not going to eat me. Eyo bigamba mubana aba gentleman akuleka n'agenda. Omuyayi akulemerako paka waka. Ojja kuliibwa alali. Tuli ba Uganda. Katugende nkulire Kapale. Mu biseera bya tiyagasa omukwano gwange awo baali baganye Bobi Wine ogende ewa. Wali ludda wa tuli mu kibuga awo. Tiyagasa atabuse bakutte Bobi Wine eyo Smile Luka district. Kati musajja anga ali mu lodge omwo mu kibuga akalakata. Ha! Tiyagasa natabukama. Sasa basasa. Omuyayi yadduka mu lodge n'ayambala empale kumbe akapiira akambaliddeko. Mu mpale. Abaganda beegaana. Yaddayo ewaka mama baana ajja aweekeera mama Kaloli ekiri mu kibuga tiyagase baade batuse olololo bwe yeyambula bwaweekeera esaati abyewali agenda okujjamu empale nga ajjuza kakwekali namuka kali mbuli atiyagase akwatagana n'ako akapiira omujjudde essupu muyeyi n'akalaba bano bajooga namubuza kiki batusoose tuwamba ne batwambaza obupiira Hata yo supu bamuyire mwadu wa janjalo.
Forever. Baby, yeah, what you gonna do for love? Remember, I need your company. Yeah, forever. Baby, what you gonna do for love? Remember, I need your company. Thank you. Come out to the Zange. Now what you do today? Come back and take me on a poncho. We could take today. That's why I'm my phone. We could take. Come back and cool me down. Come back and cool me down. Come back and cool me down. But oh yes, forever. Baby, I have to do that. Remember, I need your company. Come on, forever. Baby, remember, I need your company. We have them on. Who that's a call? We have them on. We have them on. Who that's a call? The levels. Chihuahua. 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 Oh yeah, level. Energy. Coming on a cena. Tota Bible. Leta Bible. Tota Bible. Tuna mikata Bible. Basi. Chigwa. Chagwa. Oh baba. Chigwa. Chagwa. Chameleon and say. Raga. I'm a gangster man. I'm a pull out caution. Let your bag on. I'm a million. Bring it in pull out. Dead. Hey. 20. Wanamokuba plani. Abanyomi baneta bizani. Choma afuta wana plani. Mukoma eka ya ronda mu. Elanga muntu yo ya kona mu. Narupia mu. Auza mu. Kocha ya la buza senta mu. Safari de futembea. Siwe para tembea. Safari de futembea. Oh yeah. Bariwa. Babangu bendere. Bariwa. Getsuide. Bariwa. Walimu yaranyo bakubembere. Bariwa. Show me the possibility. Levels. That's an opportunity. Show me the way. Nipate maisha mazuri. Wasome vizuri. Chakula nzuri. Nipate maisha mazuri. Thank you so much, everybody. Yahweh. Thank you.
Energetic and legendary performance from the doctor himself, Dr. Jose Chameleon, man. Since 1999, we get this and we love you so much. Thank you for bringing your energy to Stress Clinic. It is what it is. And every other Monday, we bring this kind of energy to Stress Clinic right opposite the Uganda Museum at Levels Lounge. You do not want to miss. We make sure that we extend your weekend into one day. 2 days are not enough, and we all know that. So see you there on Monday. My name is Joquis Clean, #1 champion, Mr. Elevation. Love and light to the people. Make them know.